reason that I have joined the TalentSprint is that here the job opportunities are plenty and the training is also there. So before entering into the IT industry, I just wanted to get some hands-on experience on what are the things that is going on. After joining here, I was able to see what is SQL and how to code in that, and how can we use the commands to extract the data from a database. So these all the things were very new to me, and the data science was a very new for me, and I didn't even knew the ABCDs of data science. But after joining here, I was able to learn what is data science and what are the things that we need to learn, and what are the machine learning algorithms, how to use them, and how to make a proper project in that. The job that I was offered at AT&T was a data scientist role, and I was very happy for that. I even informed my parents, and they felt very happy for that. And I can't even describe that in words. I just wanted to thank each and every lecturer and staff member at TalentSprint who have helped me to get a job at AT&T.